The digital revolution has transformed how we earn, making online opportunities more accessible and popular than ever. Across the globe, individuals are leveraging the internet to generate income, be it through side hustles or full-time endeavors. This surge in digital employment is driven by the flexibility and diverse opportunities available online. Today's video aims to empower you with straightforward and effective methods to tap into these opportunities. Whether you're looking to build a steady stream of income or just make some extra cash, we'll explore proven strategies that can kickstart your online earning journey immediately. In today's digital marketplace, freelancing platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr serve as bustling hubs where skills meet opportunities. These platforms allow individuals to offer specialized services, ranging from writing and graphic design to programming. By creating a profile showcasing your unique skills and experience, you can attract clients from around the world looking for the specific talents you offer. This democratization of work encourages even beginners to list their services and start building a client base. It's an empowering way for anyone with a skill to step into the global market and start earning. Platforms like Etsy and eBay have opened doors for entrepreneurs to thrive in the online marketplaces. Whether it's crafting unique handmade items or sourcing products to resell, these platforms connect sellers with a global audience. Critical to success in these venues is understanding the nuances of market demands. This involves not just knowing what sells but also mastering how to market these products effectively. Utilizing SEO techniques, engaging product descriptions, and leveraging social media advertising can significantly enhance product visibility and attract more buyers, transforming a simple hobby or business idea into a lucrative endeavor. Affiliate marketing offers a compelling way to earn money by promoting other people's products. By joining affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, affiliates get unique links to products, which they can then share through blogs, social media, or websites. When someone clicks on these links and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. This business model benefits from being both cost-effective and performance-based, making it accessible to anyone with an online presence. Incorporating affiliate links seamlessly into content requires strategic placement, ensuring that the links enhance the user experience and provide genuine value. Platforms like Swagbucks and Mechanical Turk offer a gateway to earn extra income through relatively simple online tasks. These platforms enable users to make money by completing surveys, watching promotional videos, and performing microtasks that require minimal skills. It's important for users to maintain realistic expectations about the earnings from these activities. While they do provide an opportunity to earn some additional cash, they are not a substitute for a full-time income. This option is best suited for those looking to supplement their income in a flexible, low-commitment way.